Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to build a custom AI chatbot for your company using your own data. That is an awesome tool to use for customer support, sales, document research, and all. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, what you're going to do is head to chatwhisperer.ai, sign up. So put your name, business name, email address, and password. There you go. Sign up. Pick the free plan. So you'll have 50 messages per month, which is plenty if you don't have a lot of traffic. So there we're going to create the bot. So we're going to give a business name. There you go. We're going to give it a name as well. Then we're going to pick the role. So it's a sales assistant, customer support, personal finance, and so on. So we'll do customer support assistant. So we'll write something about our brand. So GEM is a tech company known for its innovative products and cutting edge technology and so on. Then we're going to have our brand, business, and values. And that what we want to do here is either upload one link that it's going to use to learn, or you can actually upload your whole site map, which is the other tab. You could also drop PDFs, Word documents, CSVs. Then we're going to click next. Here we'll be able to choose our logos for the chatbot and the logo for the widget. And there we go. So we can easily add that bot to any website by just copying the iframe there.